Modern NEVs and smart vehicles have dozens, even hundreds of modules. Sometimes a module fails to enter sleep mode and quietly drains power in the background. Using a standard multimeter to measure quiescent current only tells you that there is power consumption, but not which module is causing it. When using the DM208 thermal imaging multimeter to inspect a vehicle, simply scan areas like the sensor console, instrument, cluster, and gateway, and power-consuming modules will be instantly revealed. You can see that the power-consuming modules keep generating heat. The DM208 smart temperature measurement function automatically tracks hot and cold spots, quickly pinpointing abnormal hotspots. The device shows currents, maximum and minimum temperatures. It can measure temperatures from -20 to 550 degrees Celsius with an accuracy of up to 2%. The DM208 also supports 4 color palette modes: rainbow, iron red, heat, and black and white, making details clearer and fault analysis more professional. Disassemble and unplug vehicle parts with clear evidence. Efficiently finish jobs that usually take others half a day. The AUTOOL DM208 provides an excellent solution for sleep mode power consumption in NEVs and smart vehicles. No guesswork, pinpoint the power consuming module, saving time and effort. The AUTOOL DM208 thermal imaging multimeter accomplishes what standard multimeters cannot.